Hey kids, ready to test your cartoon knowledge? Can you guess the cartoon or character from these fun clues? We've got 30 exciting riddles just for you. Think fast, guess smart, and have fun. Let's get started. He lives in a pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. A big red dog who's larger than life. Clifford the Big Red Dog. This curious little monkey always gets into mischief. Curious George. He's fast, blue, and loves to collect golden rings. Sonic the Hedgehog. He wears red overalls, a red hat, and loves mushrooms. Mario. A pink sea star who is SpongeBob's best friend. Patrick Star. A magical princess with long, golden hair. Rapunzel from Tangled. This yellow electric mouse says Pika Pika. Pikachu from Pokemon. They live in a big blue doghouse and look for paw prints. Blue from Blue's Clues. This frozen princess has ice powers and sings Let It Go. Elsa from Frozen. This little piggy has a brother named George. Peppa Pig. A strong green ogre with a talking donkey friend. A genius boy who has a secret lab in his house. Dexter from Dexter's Laboratory. A little blue guy who always says, "I'm late, I'm late." White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. A rabbit and a duck always arguing in a loony world. Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck from Looney Tunes. Three bear brothers living in the modern world. Grizzly, Panda, and Ice Bear from We Bare Bears. A tough and grumpy cat chasing a clever mouse. Tom and Jerry. He's orange, loves lasagna, and hates Mondays. Garfield. A scientist and a boy travel to wild dimensions. Rick and Morty. This brave dog solves spooky mysteries with his gang. Scooby-Doo. A girl with a magical backpack and a map. Dora from Dora the Explorer. A team of pups that help save the day with vehicles. Paw Patrol. A little robot from the future who helps a boy. Doraemon. These small blue creatures live in mushrooms. The Smurfs. He's a yellow bird that always outsmarts a cat. Tweety Bird from Looney Tunes. Three colorful girls with superpowers and a professor. The Powerpuff Girls. He's a sailor who gets super strong after eating spinach. Popeye. A silly bear in a suit who's always after picnic baskets. Yogi Bear. A super smart rabbit who loves carrots and says, "Hey, what's up, Doc?" Bugs Bunny. A family of superheroes with matching red suits. The Incredibles. Great job, cartoon experts! How many did you guess right? Let us know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends so they can join in the fun too. See you next time.